What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Now, I want to let you know I've got an NFT project that is gonna blow your mind today. I'm not a financial advisor, please note the disclaimer. I'm doing this for educational purposes only. I'm doing it because I have fun doing it and I want to help you get in a position where you can be financially positive. So let's get straight in. So here we have it, guys, Zerocodenft.com. Quick overview of the website. It shows they are on Product Hunt, which I will show you soon. Features, launch app. It's got the logo in the top left. Drop your NFT collection with zero coding skills. Seamless multi-chain solution to creating a smart contract and minting page without giving up any royalties. Get started free by clicking that or join the Discord. Now, I want to quickly show you the Product Hunt review because it does give it a bit of credibility, right? So here it is. We got 25 upvotes, okay? And as you can see here, help others know if zero codes and the product for them. So you can actually get on here, leave a review yourself. But looking at the top, we've got 4 reviews, all 5 out of 5, 25 upvotes on one launch. It's a really good start for any NFT project, okay? We got no disappointments, no one saying it's bad, so that's a very, very good start. Okay, so they've got 8+ chains on this multi-chain available, so that is incredible that we're starting off. I'm going to show you now by launching the app. So guys, this is what's happened once you've registered, right? You're going to come onto here. It's got your wizard that will show you everything you need to know and your dashboard. If you know everything, all you got to do is click start one and it's going to take you through it. So going onto the wizard, right? We have the NFTs on the ERC 721. It's a typical NFT contract suitable for most scenarios. Pick if unsure. This is what I would choose starting out, and I've done NFT projects and I'm still a little bit unsure, so they would help me. You can choose the ERC 721A, which is the Azuki. So it's known as Azuki smart contract, suitable when you expect your customers to mint NFTs in small batches, saving them on gas feed under certain circumstances that might increase the transfer gas fee. So when sending NFTs to someone else, for example. Then you've got the omnichain, all right? That's spread out your NFT credentials at 7 different blockchains. That's powerful that you can do that. Then you got your fungible, okay, which is a typical Fungible token contract. You've got your membership mint pass, create the NFT passes to use membership cards, and your DAO. If you don't know what DAO is now, please get on YouTube and have a look. It's a decentralized autonomous organization with NFTs using the power, right? So as you can see, you choose your contract type, then you choose your blockchain, then your general info, your features, your marketplace, collection name of the royalties, etc., stuff like that, and you will deploy it. It's that simple, guys. You made your NFTs. Now, going through some of their features, guys, we have some incredible ones that I haven't touched on. Example, the whitelist. So you can actually give specific buyers the chance to mint before others. That's a unique thing that we get to give to people, the chance to whitelist before the public gets involved. That's why NFT projects do so well. You can have a delayed reveal. So after they built it, you want to build up the hype. People are trading. I wonder if number one's going to be popular. And then the reveal will happen. That's a big thing that NFT projects have. One of the biggest things these have is the royalties and revenue splits. So they actually split the revenue between team members and receive royalties from a second marketplace like OpenSea. You do not get charged royalties from building your NFT project on here. That's incredible. Airdrop. You can actually airdrop these NFTs for free so people don't pay gas fees. The first certain amount of tokens can be minted for free, which is incredible. They have snapshots of your current holders, and one of the best things is you can custom tailor the smart contract and the minting website to make it your own by using these features, okay, and have a really, really successful mint. They've got partners like MetaMask, IPFS, Google Analytics, Nuxt.js, Microsoft, everything like that. It's incredible. And their pricing, let's just talk about this. $0 to test it. And you get all of these in there. If you want to pay the price, $499 plus, you can do the whole launch. Includes everything, the test. Only pay for the features that actually use. So OpenSea setup, 100% of the collection revenue. Customize your mint bud, general Discord, IPFS upload guidance. All you got to do is click start now. Or if it's a custom project, you can actually contact them and they will help tailor this for you. Incredible. Please use the links down below. So guys, as well, they have the custom feature on here, so you can tailor the smart contract and minting websites to fit your unique needs to ensure your project has a successful mint. Super incredible, right? Now listen, the customizable mint page comes with 3, yes, I said it, 3 different templates, all right? It's custom ASC2 to make the smart contracts. Do you hear what I'm saying? These are super intelligent programs. Now, it looks unique. The source code previews for auditing purposes with automated source code verification when deployed to the manifests and when deployed to the mainnets. Now, the holder snapshots, Google, now there is custom ASC2 art to make the smart contract look unique, okay? The source code previews for auditing purposes with automatic source code verification. So you can be assured that the verification is absolutely fantastic. And when deployed to the mainnet, this is when it is apparent. The holder snapshots are there and the Google Analytic features. Now, I need you to understand there is free customizable mint pages, okay, like I've said. So you don't just have to get given one. You can actually have a choice of free and make it unique to yourself. It's super, super cool. Guys, this project is incredible, and I'm going to summarize it for you now. It's probably the first one I've ever seen that has a flat fee, no pre-qualifications, and no royalties withheld like a lot of their competitors. It also has some incredible additional points that are unique, like a layer 2 week promotion. So they take 25% off when launching on a non-ETH blockchain, like AVAX, Fantom, any of them, like for example. Okay, details and dates will be posted in the Discord, so please get in all their socials. Links will be on the website, which will be linked down below. Please only use trusted links. And guess what they have? Referral codes available to everyone to earn from each sale. It's incredible. If you love this video, hit the like button. If you enjoyed it so much that you can't explain it, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want more projects like this. And from me, have a blessed day. I will see you on the next video.